Hey there. So you're experiencing an issue in Unity with the UI slider. It's not sending its value back to the C# code like it should. Everything seems to be set up right, but it's still not working. So if you're experiencing that issue, well, let's check this out. Perhaps the issue that I had and the fix that I came up with will help you fix yours. So I've got two sliders on the scene. One I've called sound effect slider, and the other I've called music slider. The sound effect slider is working properly, sending the value back into the code. The music slider is not. And the way you can tell whether or not this is the same problem that you're having is here on the on value changed single event. On the one that's working, you can see we've got a runtime only, and I've got my sound effects controller script set here with a set level. And on the music slider, the same thing is set with a new function, except we've got this extra text box here. It's a really simple and easy thing to do to have this set up wrong. And it is simply when you're selecting your function in your controller, there's this version of it here, which I had selected, set music level float, but you actually want to go in the dynamic float. We want to be able to send the dynamic value of the slider back into the code, as opposed to the one that's sitting in that slider text box. So you switch this to the set music level here, we get rid of that text box, and then now this will work properly in your code. So that's it. That one's an easy one. I ran into this first years ago. I was still just doing this as a hobby, and it took me quite a while to figure it out when you're not doing it all the time. It happened to me the other day and realized I knew the problem was there. I had looked at it before, I just couldn't remember the solution, and it was simple to find when I knew the problem was there. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe. Even if it didn't, consider it. I'm going to do more of these devlogs. Just got a new game starting here, so please consider it. And exciting news, my second game, Touch Maze, just released on Android as of yesterday, so check that out. I will put a link to the trailer for it right here. Thanks a lot. Chat soon.